Hi everybody, ReichpoloTech here. Today I'm going to show you how to change that third brake light, the one that's at the top of the window of a 2006 Toyota Highlander. Now most of the Highlanders are very similar, but this happens to be 2006. Anyways, if you like this video or you find it useful, please hit that like button. Also hit that subscribe button and feel free to share it with everybody you know. Alright, let's get down to it. Alright, so the first thing I want to show you here is that at the top, up here, these two screws right here, they don't hold this plastic piece on, or they do maybe hold it on temporarily while the gasket or the seal around this actually dries. But if you take these two screws out here, it is still glued or caulked or sealed or something around this. So this is not how you get to that light bulb that's out inside there. What you need to do is open up the back hatch here and take off this panel at the top on the inside right here to get to that light bulb. And it's simple, it's got just 3 clips on it. Basically you've got 1, 2, and 3 over on this side over here. And that exposes that light bulb right there. So the next thing you do is you just squeeze it here at the top, pull the wire out. Then you take this, turn it 90 degrees. And out pops a light bulb. That's what we're going to be replacing. Alright, so one thing I want to tell you is when you're pulling this light bulb out of this little carrier thing here, it doesn't matter pulling the old light bulb out, but when you put in the new light bulb here, you want to use a paper towel or tissue or your shirt or something to hold the bulb, because the grease from your fingertips can actually make the bulb life less. So once again, you can just go ahead and pull this one out with your fingers and it just slides straight out basically like that. But in order to put the other one in, we want to make sure we use a paper towel to stick it in there. Alright, so once you get the new one in there, just do it exactly in reverse like we did. So stick it back in here. Turn it 90 degrees to lock it in, and plug your wire back in. There you go. Right, what you're going to do now is just put the housing back on top. It's got those 3 clips. One on the right, one in the middle, and one on the left. There we go. That's it. So there you have it. That's pretty much it. Thanks to my brother for helping me with this video a little bit. And guys, please hit that subscribe button and share it. And hit that like button for me. Alright, have a great one everybody. See you later.